This video we're talking about making homemade ranch. I like to call it Dad Ranch. I have 3 kids.
Welcome to Daddy's new video. Time to start the video. Please like and subscribe for my video.
Okay, today I'm gonna make, I call it Dad Ranch. It's just homemade healthy ranch. It's very simple and it's a lot healthier for you than Hidden Valley. We'll go over the ingredients for both as we go through it, but I'm just gonna make the recipe and put it in the captions and we'll see about it, okay? The secret thing for making the homemade ranch is using the jalapeno, but you don't need to use the seeds. Okay, you're just trying to get flavor. So we get rid of the seeds. Also tip, don't touch your eyes after touching a jalapeno. I've made that mistake too many times. So cutting the jalapeno, they can be big chunks because we're gonna get out a mini blender for this. Jalapeno in. And for me, I personally don't measure everything. I just go off the consistency of the ranch at the end. So, but this is like probably over a half cup to a cup of Greek yogurt. Then we add a decent amount of mayonnaise because the mayonnaise helps with the thickness. But again, take note, this is avocado mayonnaise, so it's a little healthier for you. I'm probably gonna do like 3 scoops of this to start off. This container is bigger than the previous one I was using, so let's do 4. And then let's do 1 more Greek yogurt. We're gonna be blending this all up soon anyway, so. Oh, I forgot. Lemon juice. And then the other thing before the spices is garlic, minced garlic. Probably like a half a spoonful of that. Okay, now we're gonna add all the spices. A little paprika, smoked paprika, if you got it. Onion powder. Again, I'm not measuring anything. The spices make it taste better. The herbs, dill. And parsley flakes. Again, I'm being very generous with how much I'm putting in here. Then just because this was in my pantry, is not necessarily necessary to make this, but it assures that you get ranch taste. Is the Trader Joe's ranch blend seasoning. Okay, we're almost already done. The fun part, use an immersion blender. I guess if you're not using a blender, you could, or an immersion blender, you could put it in the actual blender, I guess, when you're making it, as long because you just got to get the jalapenos chopped up and mix everything together. So here we go. Oh, I almost forgot one key thing. I was wondering why it looked like Fairlife or whole milk to it. Yeah. See, nobody's perfect. Always learning. Okay, now we do the blending. Then here's one of the hard parts is getting that to the sink before it gets everywhere. And then just like that, we got homemade ranch. I call it Dad Ranch. Okay, let's taste this. Here's the spot. This is good, if not better than Hidden Valley. Restaurant quality, that easy. Testing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content. Okay, most of my content's featured ADHD holistic stuff. With that, we want to eat healthy. That's why I make my own ranch. Okay, I can probably get in more detail about that, but and I just love ranch. And there we go.